The Pre-Installation Verification Test is required by RCSC and AISC specifications. This test must be conducted on-site to ensure that all bolt assemblies, lubrication, and installation tools can achieve minimum bolt tension prior to installation. Pre-installation verification testing verifies that the installation method and your bolting assemblies can achieve proper tension. Today, we'll be testing a 1-inch tension control or TC bolt. TC bolt assemblies function by calibrating the torque needed to twist off the spline manufactured into the bolt shank. Once the pre-tension is above the minimum requirement, the bolt spline will twist off. To perform the pre-installation verification test, ensure you have a properly calibrated SKIDHORE-WILHELM device, also called a bolt tension measuring device. Gather 3 bolt assemblies for each length, diameter, grade, and lot. Put the bushing for the TC bolt onto the device. Then put the bolting assembly, including nut and washer, in place. Now tighten the nut from the nut side with a hand wrench or non-impacting gun. This test does not permit the use of an impact gun. Tighten the bolt with your non-impacting wrench to the required load weight. The spline must break off at or above the minimum tension. Repeat this test 2 more times and record results. For the bolting assemblies to pass the test, the results must meet 105% of the value. If this doesn't occur, first check your tool and try again with 3 new bolts. Tension control bolting assemblies cannot be altered with lubrication by anyone except the manufacturer. Hex assemblies can have a stick wax applied. If a hex assembly first fails the pre-installation verification test, you may apply a wax lubricant and test again. There are a few common reasons bolting assemblies fail the pre-installation verification test. 1 is lubrication. Without proper lubrication, the nut can spin and strip out the bolt. Another common issue we see in the field is the internal socket on the TC gun being worn down. This makes it unable to grip the spline correctly and causes the bolt to strip. To avoid this, ensure your tools are in good condition prior to installation. Using the incorrect plate or bushing can also cause the test to fail. Be sure you have the correct size plate installed. The plate or bushing can also become warped over time, so it's equally important to inspect these items before use. For more information about fasteners, visit bhamfast.com.